Hi guys, I'm LEEPSMART. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use Incognito Browser to log in your Facebook account. Incognito Browsers means it's an anti-detective browser for multi-account management on all platforms. You can use it for Facebook or any other social media account. You need to download this software, and we are going to use this BrightData to provide each account a dedicated IP address. Here is the tutorial. I'm going to take one account here, this account. I'm going to use this Facebook's advertising access reinstated account to do a demonstration. Here I already gathered profiles under Adspower. I'm going to newer profiles, and here I'm going to give him a nickname. You can name any you want. And I'm going to choose account platform. I'm going to choose Facebook. And I'm going to open a specific URL. I'm going to log in by n.facebook.com. And I'm going to type the profile ID, the profile password. And the next step, I'm going to choose a process. Here I'm going to select Luminati. In this case, we are going to use this BrightData. BrightData is Luminati. You can sign up an account yourself. And I already signed up. After signing in, I'm going to click process here. And I'm going to end process. In this case, I'm going to choose data center process. I'm going to give it a name for test. And IP type, I'm going to select dedicated IP address. And in this field, you can select the numbers of your IP as you want. Here, I'm going to use 1. And in this case, you can select country. I can select United States. And then I'm going to target to the Facebook. And I'm going to select allow donate. If you check this, the dedicated IPs that will not be used by any other customer. Click hands on. Yes, and then you can download the IPs. Here we are going to copy all the information and paste it here. And you can check the process. As you can see, it worked. And then we click OK. And the next step, I'm going to open the browser. And you can see that Google, Wikipedia, Facebook, or IP location, they are green. That means your IP's network is okay. It's good. And the next step, you can import the bookmarks I made for every customer. You can import this bookmark. And before we going to start to log in the profile, I recommend you guys to install this browser extension to generate 2FA code, anti-clone. And I'm going to copy the profile secret key and paste this in this extension to generate 2FA code. And I'm going to click it to copy. Now I copy the code. And now I can log in. I can copy again. We're going to copy the blue one and click submit. And now we log in the profile. And the next step, we're going to keep this tab and click facebook.com. Save our password. And the next step, we can check the account quality. This URL to check account quality. As you can see, this is a advertising accessory instated account. That's how we use Adspower and Luminatis, also called BrightData, to log into our profile to protect our account. If each account a dedicated IP address and environment.